Hello, this week we are focusing on gamification in the classroom, and the first thing that I thought of was using badges. I really enjoy just the idea of badges and how they can reward the students, but also give the students a chance to take a look at their improvement and their strengths and weaknesses. So for my lesson plan, it is going to be aimed at first graders, and our subject is going to be literacy. So basically, they are going to be assessed on how well they can read and comprehend the text. The class is going to begin with them looking at a sight word chart that is in the classroom, as well as they each individually have one. That way it is easily accessible for them at all times. But these are 100 sight words that they should all know as of where they are in the class right now. So after the students take a look at their sight word chart, they will then move on to the assessment portion. So in this section of the lesson plan, students will individually read this story to me, Mike Plays Sports, and then I will be using my assessment sheet right here. So I will show you the book first right here, and they can just click through it on their iPads or on their Chromebooks, whatever the school provides them with or whatever they have. And they will just read the whole entire book to me. It is not that long. That way we have enough time to get through everyone. But then I will be going to this assessment sheet. And so as I have every single word right here that is in the story. If the student reads it correctly, then I will put a slash in the correct box. But if the student reads it incorrectly, then I will put a slash or a mark in the incorrect box. And this just gives me, it's an easy way for me to look at what they got correct and what they got incorrect. And then for the badges section of this, the students that got 43 or more words correct out of the 57 total words will get a badge for mastery in reading and word recognition. This is about 75%, and this is important for first graders to be able to recognize the 75% of words in a story. So then we will go over, I used for all rubrics for my badge system. I really enjoyed it. But these are my only two students right now. So let's just say that Mary, she got 80% correct. So then I will issue her a badge. We'll do a sample badge. Yes, save it. And voila. So we have our two badges right here. So now they know that they have a badge for mastery in reading and word recognition. So that is the end of my lesson plan, and I hope you really enjoyed it.